करता है प्राइम मेरिडियन? The main role of the prime meridian is to divide the earth into two vertical halves. Okay, which are those two vertical halves? एक तो the
Eastern
eastern
Hemisphere.
hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
it has longitudes extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western sides. Both में 180 degree है. Okay, Greenwich is there in England. Okay, it is generally known as prime meridian as well. Okay, now international date line. We also say about international date line. What is decided upon by the international date line is what? The
Ma'am, can I read?
what is your name?
Sukun.
Huh?
Sukun.
What is your name, beta?
Ma'am, Sukun. Sukun.
Yes,
Viran.
Sukun. Yes, Virani Sukun. I'll surely see that you get a chance. But wait, let me speak. Okay. So, what is international date line? It international date line when one crosses the date and day changes. Okay, it is a date line. डेट होती है ना हमारे आज कौन सी डेट है हाँ today's August 25 right so how can we decide that by the international date line okay dates and days are decided according to the international date line okay now listen carefully okay and time is decided by standard time okay local time and standard time okay yes yes Virani so can revise this paragraph that I explained you yes Virani Sukun Virani Sukun
Yes, ma'am.
read better
Yes. Number two, international dateline. There is only one 180-degree longitude, which is known as the international dateline. When one crosses this line, the day and date changes. The international dateline passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates two calendar dates. It is not exactly 180 degrees at all places since the line crisscrosses across several time zones. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands, and due to this, we might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line, when it passes over land, is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but zigzag.
but it is zigzag okay as it passes through many states okay so always remember that the international date line is not never drawn straight it is like this way zigzag okay yes we are Mr. Continue better but be a little louder
Yes, the sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to its west. In this way, 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there is difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time in different places on the earth varies as per their longitude.
very good so what it is better As I said you previously also in the last class, the sun is the biggest clock of the earth, right? The time of at any place can be decided with one thing. With what? By the position of the sun. Okay, by what beta? Position of the sun in the sky and its longitudes. Okay, the earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Okay, how many hours? In 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes, as I said you previously only, right? In all, means 180 to the east and 180 to the, yeah, to the west. So in this way, 15 longitudes passes by the sun in 1 hour. How many longitudes passes by the sun in 1 hour?
50.
1550 longitudes. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. कितने मिनट लगते हैं? 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Therefore, there is difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. एक longitude से दूसरे longitude में कितना difference होता है?
4.
Minutes.
4 minutes. Ma'am, can I read?
Therefore, the time is different places of the earth varies as per their longitudes. Yes,
Ma'am, can I read?
yes, read beta.
Local time. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 10 o'clock noon.
10 નથી 12 છે બેટા.
That 12 noon in all the places of on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to mid-noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitudes in the same country have different times. In a
Yes.
country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problems in administration. How can one work in such situation? What must one to do to solve this problem? Let us understand.
Yes. Very good, very good. Yes, Modesa is there.
No, ma'am, Aina.
Yeah. नहीं એમ કહું છું મોદેસા આવી છે.
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Modesa, you revise this paragraph once more, better.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Local
then
Very
can
time.
I read
important,
it, ma'am?
very important paragraph. Huh? Everyone pay attention.
Yes,
Start,
ma'am.
Modesa.
Local time. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun is in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. If difference by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude, every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 o'clock noon in all the places on the lot and on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to mid-noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitudes in the same country have different time. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problem in administration. How can one work in such situation? What must be on what must one do to solve this problem? Let us understand.
Yes. So the time taken according to the overhead position of the sun, है ना, सन जहाँ पे होता है उसके हिसाब से टाइम डिसाइड होता है. ओके, in a particular place is known as the local time of particularly that place. Okay, means see, for example you are standing outside and the sun is your at your overhead, आपके सर पे है, तो अभी आप आपकी घड़ी में भी 12 ही बजे होंगे, right? But beta, what happens that because you know before many years beta, ये जो टाइम था, clock was not invented only. People used to see the time with the help of sun only, है ना, primitive man और ये सब. With the help of the
Yes,
position of
ma'am.
the sun they used to decide कि अभी कितना टाइम हुआ है, क्या टाइम हुआ है, ऐसे, right? So
Yes.
yes, it differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. जैसे हमने यहाँ ऊपर देखा ना, 4 मिनट टाइम लगता है एक टू एडजस्टेंट लॉन्जिट्यूड को पास होने में, right? So 4 minutes with one every degree longitude, right? When any longitude faces the sun directly, जब कोई लॉन्जिट्यूड सन को डायरेक्टली फेस करता है, लॉन्जिट्यूड हमें नहीं दिखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो इमेजनरी है. जैसे मैं आपको बोलूं कि हमें मार्स या वीनस दिखे, कभी मार्स हमें दिख सकता है यू नो सनसेट से पहले या सनसेट के बाद, बट लॉन्जिट्यूड हमें नहीं दिखेंगे. But it is by the calculations, okay, that whenever the longitude which is passing from our country, okay, हमारे कंट्री में से जो भी लॉन्जिट्यूड पास होता है उस लॉन्जिट्यूड के हिसाब से टाइम डिसाइड होता है. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हेन इट इज 12 नो इन ऑल द प्लेसेस ऑफ लॉन्जिट्यूड कब होगा? जब कभी सन को पर्टिकुलर लॉन्जिट्यूड फेस कर रहा होगा तब. अंडरस्टूड? मतलब कि आप 12 बजे बाहर खड़े रहोगे तो सन आपके ओवरहेड होगा, और उस टाइम पे जो लॉन्जिट्यूड हमारे कंट्री में से, हमारे स्टेट में से पास होता है, उस लॉन्जिट्यूड पे डायरेक्टली सन रेज फॉल कर रही है. आपको समझना है. ओके, तो इन दिस वे द लोकल टाइम ऑफ अ प्लेस इज डिसाइडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द मिड नून. ओके, 12 बजे दोपहर को जब नून होता है तो हर जगह उस टाइम पे ही नून होता है, तो लोकल टाइम उससे डिसाइड होता है. ओके, नाउ द प्लेसेस लोकेटेड ऑन द सेम लॉन्जिट्यूड हैव सेम टाइम, बट बेटा द प्लेसेस लोकेटेड ऑन डिफरेंट लॉन्जिट्यूड विल हैव डिफरेंट टाइम. तो क्या होगा? तो सेम कंट्री में अलग अलग टाइम होगा. तो इज इट पॉसिबल? इज इट गुड? नो, इट इज नॉट गुड. जैसे अभी समझो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में अभी 10:30 बजे हो, 11 बजे हो, है ना, तो केरला में अगर 1 बजा हो, 3 बजे हो, बिकॉज ऑफ लॉन्जिट्यूडनल डिफरेंस, तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वर्क अच्छा होगा, प्रॉपर होगा? नहीं होगा, राइट?
Yes,
राइट
ma'am.
और
नहीं
नॉट?
होगा.
नहीं होगा, राइट? तो इफ दे हैव डिफरेंट टाइम, मतलब કે સમજો તમે અહીંથી બોમ્બેની ફ્લાઇટ પકડી, ઓકે, 11 વાગે પકડી, ઓકે, યુ લેન્ડેડ, યુ ટેક ઓફ એટ 11 o'clock, you land there in half an hour. So at what time you will land there? At 11:30 you will land there. Yes, but if the standard time, if the local time is different, वहाँ पे अभी 1 बजा हो, तो आपकी मीटिंग जो 11 बजे 12 बजे होने वाली होती है, तो वो आप अटेंड कर पाओगे? नहीं ना? Yes or no? So what will happen in that case? Everything will be disorderly, right? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in a country, if the local time is different in different places, है ना, अगर एक कोई भी कंट्री में लोकल टाइम डिफरेंट हो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे, तो what will happen? It can create problems. What will happen, beta? It will
Create
create
problem.
problems in administration. Okay. So what can be done in such situations to solve such problems? One thing can be done, that is standard time. Okay. क्या करना चाहिए हमें? Standard time. Okay. Now what is the standard time? What is the standard time? Okay, let us see now. Yes, Mohammed, read with the standard time.
Ma'am,
Rabia,
can I
Yes.
one minute, Mohammed, someone is else is asking permission. Who is it?
Okay,
I
ma'am.
Huh? Yes, Tahira, read with us.
Ma'am, can I read Ilma?
standard time?
Okay, Ilma, next your chance. Okay, Tahira को read करने देता है.
Ma'am, she is Aina, not Tahira.
Aina got a chance, right?
Yes.
Okay, Ilma, you read them.
Okay, ma'am. Standard time. The local time of a place which is situated in the middle of country is taken as the standard time of the country. This means that time is fixed on the basis of a particular longitude in a country, which is known as standard time. The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree E longitude, which passes
Longitude
through
ना कहवाए, east longitude कहवाए.
east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. These mean that if it is 12 o'clock noon in Allahabad, it is 12 o'clock noon everywhere in the country. These make it conversion for the
Convenient,
smooth
convenient.
convenient convenient for the smooth administration administration for of the country.
Yes. So standard time. Beta, pay attention. Okay. Standard time कौन कहवाए? Standard time is the local time of a place is situated in the middle of the country. Okay. So it is taken as the standard time of the country. Middle માં જે હોય ત્યારે એને standard time કહેવામાં આવે. Is it clear? This means that the time is fixed on the basis of particular longitude of a country. In a country, which is known as standard time. What it is known as, beta? Standard time. Okay. Now, beta, the most important thing, the standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude. On the basis of what, beta? 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh in India. એટલે ઇન્ડિયાનો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ટાઈમ અલ્હાબાદ ઉપરથી, એટલે અલ્હાબાદમાં જો 12 નૂન હોય તો આખા કન્ટ્રીમાં ઇન્ડિયામાં બધા સ્ટેટ્સમાં 12 નૂન હોય. Is it clear? This makes it convenient.
Okay, ma'am.
This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. એટલે જો અત્યારે અલ્હાબાદમાં 10 o'clock થયા હોય ને તો આપણે અહીંયા 10 o'clock, અલ્હાબાદમાં અત્યારે 12 o'clock હોય ને તો આપણે 12 o'clock આપણી વોચમાં કરવું જ પડે. સમજાણો? Understood? So, okay, because the standard time is decided according to Allahabad, okay, the longitude which is passing from Allahabad, and which is that longitude? 82.5 degree east longitude. Clear? Yes, Rabia will revise local time in standard time. Rabia, are you there?
Ma'am, can I read Malkani Rabia?
Yes, of course, Malkani Rabia, you are present. Very good, you can.
Local time. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of the place. It, it differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When
Longitude बोलते हैं
any
देखा था ना.
when any longitude faces the sun directly, it will be 12 noon in all the places on the longitude. In the way the local time of the place is decided according to mid-noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitudes in the same country have different times. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problems in administration. How can one work in such situation? What must one do to solve these problems? Let us understand.
Hmm.
Standard time. The local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the country. This means that time is fixed on the base of a particular longitude in a country, which is known as standard time. The standard time of our country is decided on the base of 82.5 degree E longitude, which
E नहीं
passes
बोलवानो. East longitude बोलवानो. E
east
longitude नहीं
longitude
हाँ. East longitude बोलवानो.
longitude, which passes
Longitude.
through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This means that if it is 12 noon in Allahabad, it is 12 noon everywhere in the country. This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country.
चलो बधाने समझाणु. Everyone understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Say yes or no at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So standard time and local time are very important to understand. Why? Because from that we come to know that from which from what do we come to know? From our हाँ बेटा. From the
Ma'am, you were calling me?
yeah, it's okay, fine. So it was from the local time we can decide that standard time can be known from the local time of a particular place. Okay. Now all this is done why? For proper administration. Okay. For proper work. Right. For proper administration and proper work. Okay. So by this we complete this lesson. Okay. Anyone any doubt in this lesson?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll quickly revise this things to know. Yes. Now Kadri Rabia Bashri will revise things to know.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you were calling me before?
Yeah, I called you for the reading part. You had not got a chance. No, today to read. I try to
Yes.
give everyone chance in my class, but you did not get. So I asked you. I called for you, but Malkani
Sorry, ma'am,
Rabia,
because
no issues,
uh,
no issues. I can understand. Chalo, read better.
yes, ma'am. Things to know. The longitudes to the east of Greenwich are denoted by the letter E, while those situated to the west are denoted by the letter W. The international dateline is also called IDL in short. If a
Hmm.
country extends to a great extent eastwards and westwards, then it may have more than one standard time. The
यस, जैसे कि
latitudes
यूएस है ना, यूएस, उसमें चार चार के तीन टाइम जोन्स हैं, अलग अलग।
the latitudes to the north of the equator are denoted by the letter N, while those situated to the south are denoted by the letter S.
वेरी गुड, दिस आई हैव
The,
ऑलरेडी टॉट यू, राइट?
yes, the actual distance between two latitudes is 111 kilometers.
वेरी गुड। चलो, एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस कितना है हर एक लैटिट्यूड में? 111 kilometers. So by this, girls, we finish lesson number